Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate this season. I'm Justin Hitt from Prosperity Homestead, and I wanted to share with you some free gifts I want to give you in the New Year. We've already started planting out a fall garden and recorded video about how to prepare your spring garden for abundance quickly and easily using permaculture methods. We go from an existing garden and tune it up really quick in order to make permanent raised beds and a system where you don't have to worry about weeds, you don't have to water, and you essentially plant and harvest. Now, we're going into this bed preparation video so that you can start with a head start for spring. You can have a spring abundance easily. We're also bought a number of these seed packets, these bug out, shit hits the fan seed packets, and we're going to show you from nothing, nothing, food abundance as quickly as possible. How long does it take to go from seed to food on the table? How long and what do you need to do in order to turn a packet of seeds into an abundant garden? We're actually going to grow food for 3 families. It's about 7 or 8 individuals. It's millions of calories. And we're going to do this in less than an acre. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried this before, but if you want to grow all your own sustainable and organic foods, it does take some space. It does take some time. It does take some planning. But we can help you do that, and I'm going to give that to you as my free gift. Now, we are packaging this up in a program, so as a tutorial, but I'm going to let a handful of people come in and experience the program, experience one-on-one consulting, and do so without any investment. Now, I'm not going to let anybody in because it's a lot of work to do these videos, and it's a lot of work to prepare a fall garden so that you have abundance in the spring. But again, these are going to be friends of family. These are going to be people that we know in our network and individuals who are loyal to this channel. Click the link below to subscribe to this channel and put in your comments below the questions you have about preparing a fall garden. I know a lot of people are thinking about spring and they're thinking about the holidays and they're worried and concerned about the COVID and the shutdown. We're going to show you how to put all of those concerns aside and have plenty of abundant, high quality, healthy food available to you and your family. Again, we're going to grow for 3 families, and our goal is to provide every meal on the table: meats, vegetables, starches and proteins, fish, rabbits, cattle, all the whole gamut. And by the way, we're going to show you how to do this without your own farm. I do not own a large farm. In fact, I live in an urban space that has actually got on my case for having too big of a garden. Now, how is that? How can you have too big of a garden? But anyway, I'm going to show you how you can have in your own backyard herbs and vegetables and a small garden, yet in the community have all of the food that you need. Is food getting too expensive at the big box stores? Are your local markets shut down? Is the farmer's market having problems? You don't have to worry about that anymore because we're going to show you in the space that you have how to grow all the food that you want. Again, we've already recorded the videos around the actual garden preparation, and we've done it on 2 different scales. This one large acreage scale. So if you have a small farm, homestead, or estate, how do you do it on a large acreage? And then also a small garden area that's here at my property. Again, we're going to give away access to this program as we're developing the program and making it available to a handful of individuals who click the link below and either contact my office with your questions or clicks the link below and just simply says, hey, look, I'm interested in growing high quality, valuable food in my own backyard. Now, it doesn't matter to me if you're a prepper or you're a homesteader or you've got a small farm or anything like that. This isn't about shit hits the fan, escape. We just want to demonstrate that you can't just buy a packet of multi-seeds and suddenly have food. It doesn't work that way. Now, I know we're disconnected and we're used to buying food at the grocery store, but what if we have another COVID shutdown and you can't get to the grocery store? Would you have enough food available? Would you have the connections and relationships in your community to feed yourself? So we're just going to explore that. Now, I'm going to do this in the new year, and there's a lot of changes going on here, and I'm going to enjoy my holidays, but I will also to be doing certain things that I'll share with you. So again, click the link below. You can join my newsletter at www.prosperityhomestead.org. And before I go outside to plant up some trees, I just wanted to get this video out to you and let you know that this resource is going to be available, a powerful resource. I think we've got 3 or 4 hours of video already that goes through the step-by-step, 4-step plan on how to get a fall garden ready so you have maximum abundance in spring. We talk about the key principles that we're implementing. These are permaculture and organic gardening principles. We show you how to get the greatest abundance with the minimal inputs and minimal tools. And then in spring, we'll show you how to start up plants, how to get that head start on your new season and grow with abundance. We will literally feed 3 families. And you know what? I got skin in the game of this. I've already in the past replaced 60% of my vegetables during the growing seasons. I'm going for 100% of all my meats, my proteins, starches, everything covered with this garden. I already have food available, and I may still have to go to the grocery store. I'll share that experience with you, plus much more. But the volume of seed that we've produced, the land that we've already prepared, and the plan that we already have, it is already making grocery store a once-a-month thing. Now, again, we'll show you in the temperate climate, because we're located here in the Henry County, Martinsville area. And we'll show you at a scale that whether you've got a big piece of property or a urban backyard, we'll just show you at a scale that you can use. We'll give you step-by-step approach. You'll have a great abundance in the spring. You'll be eating healthy, tasty food from your own backyard, even if you've never planted before. So again, subscribe to this channel here. Visit me at www.prosperityhomestead.org. Let me know you're interested and get on my mailing list so I can announce as we have these videos available. Again, happy holidays. Thank you so much for your support over the years. Thank you for your feedback and questions. You've really made a difference in my life and lifting up my desire to share information, but also helping me guide that information to be maximum value and use to you. That's really what it's all about. Prosperity Homestead talks about creating maximum utility value out of your land and doing it in a way with sustainable and ecologically sound solutions. If you want more information about how to do that or you have an immediate need, of course, contact me at www.prosperityhomestead.org. And if you leave a comment below or you subscribe, I will know that you've done so, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Not immediately. I got all kinds of stuff going on. But of course, enjoy your holiday. Hey, and no matter what goes on in this world, no matter what challenges you face, there is always a solution. In fact, the bigger the challenge, the more exciting and powerful that solution can be. And we're going to help you with that. Again, I'm Justin Hitt with Prosperity Homestead. Thanks for watching.